Morning, guys. Not gonna lie, today's difficult. This is gonna be hard. And I know some of you struggled yesterday. What I want you to notice, and my directions are probably pretty confusing. You only need to do one step. And here, if you look, I have number 9, the triangle. Okay. Um, all you had to do yesterday was find the missing angle, and that's actually really easy. So if you know this is 90 and this is 39, if you take those, so if you take, so measure of angle x equals 90, oops, we're going to go 180 minus 90 minus 39. The reason being is we know that all angles in a triangle, when they add together, equal 180. So if we know two of them, we can solve that missing one. And so I believe the measure of angle x is 51 degrees. So I'm going to put that right there. So we know our measure angles. Now, this is where it gets difficult. This is where it's not going to be easy. Um, but try it. I am not super mad if you don't get this. Okay, so we are missing sides today. So we're going to try to find side A and side B. And we're going to find side B first. Okay? Now, we're going to use sine, cosine, tangent to find that missing side. And if you notice, I've already set it up. Okay? If you notice here, we have an opposite angle, okay, 39 degrees from B. Okay, and if you remember, I can use sine, cosine, tangent to find missing sides. So now, if you look, sine 39. Okay, so I'm saying the sine of 39 equals opposite, which would be B, over hypotenuse, which is 7. Okay, so all I did was set up the missing side based on sine, cosine, tangent. Okay, now it's like not, and now it's like getting any algebra problem you've ever had, ever. You're gonna get B alone. And how would I do that? I'd multiply everything by 7. Okay, that's gonna give you B alone. Now here's where you need your calculator, and here's where it's easy. Okay, so you need a scientific calculator, and you can find one online. I believe your iPad does it too. Um, all you're going to do is type sine. And when you do, oops, let me get mine up here. Sine. When you do, you'll see, like on mine, for example, that parentheses. Okay, so make sure that you put sine 39 end parentheses. See how I did that? And then we're multiplying by 7. So all you have to do is put 7 at the end. Equals. You're going to get a long, nasty decimal. Round to the nearest tenth. My answer is 4.4. So side B is 4.4. Okay? So now we're missing side A. So we want to find A. And if you notice, I have opposite, okay? Opposite over hypotenuse. So I can use sine again, okay? So we're going to say sine, my measurement of my angle, which is 51, equals A over 7. Okay? With me? Now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to simplify by multiplying by 7. Okay? And do that on your calculator. You can't do it in your head. That's what's great. That's what's great about this. You cannot do this in your head. You have to use a calculator. So if you use sine, so if we do our same process, sine 51 times 7 equals. This is what you should get, or this is what it should look like. And you get 5.4. Okay? If my directions don't help, there are myriads, there are tons of tutorials online. I've done number 9, so technically you only have 10, 11, and 12 to try. That's all I ask. Try and show me what kind of progress you've made. I'm curious to see if you can get this. Um, Maybe we'll do, I'll try to schedule some kind of Google Hangout for kids that really, really want to try to learn this at some point. All right, take care.